pleasant good morning to you all. How you all doing? And chanting, I need you all to do 5 basic things for me. Please leave your choice, share, and be a dominant subscriber to productivity so you can get the latest update and this implementation, right? And do in fact watch this video thoroughly so you can get the full concept of what I'm trying to elaborate, right? Also leave a comment so I can comment to you on my free time, please guys. What I would like to elaborate about today is the same metabolic process, but it is metabolic misfiring. I'm talking about metabolic confusion. Because the thing is, why I say that, because even calories are included in metabolic process also, because that's why it's called metabolic misfiring, because you can confuse your diet because the body itself don't really know it's a partially eating, so that's why you can metabolic confuse the diet. Because say for instance you eat soda, you drink soda, right? The calorie in soda is very high, and the thing is, the bicarbonate soda, the soda having so much acid, so it when you drink it also it melts your bones. But I do thank you